Hey guys, welcome to the part 2 of UiPath series. In the first series, I have explained what exactly RPA, what is the advantage of using RPA over traditional automation scripts, those stuffs. Just go and have a look on that. It is a very nice. So in the part 2, my concentration will be more on UiPath Studio, where the developer is going to spend his more than 90% of his time. So let us go ahead and start this video. These are the mostly three components of UiPath, and these are the names which will be heard in future very often. That is Studio, Boards, and Orchestrator. Studio is generally it's a UiPath Studio. We call it in the short form Studio. UiPath Studio. This is the place where the developer is going to spend mostly his 90% more than 90 time to develop the workflows, business workflows here. Bots, bots, or the robots, which are the tiny programs uh, which are used to execute the business workflow. The only thing you have to deploy or you have to hand over this workflow to bots and bot will execute that. Orchestrator, it's a web application which is a which you can use to monitor, audit, and deployment of your business processes or packages. Apart from that, you can monitor all individual activity of your bots, how exactly they are performing, and a little bit of more about the bots inside. In future video series, I am going to cover this orchestrator and bots. But for this particular part 2 video, I will take you through the UiPath Studio. What basic introduction. It will not be a in-depth video, but it is the basic introduction video. So for installing a UiPath Studio, the minimum hardware requirement is 1.4 GHz CPU 32-bit, and recommendation is dual core 1.8 GHz 60, and RAM is minimum 4 GB, and recommendation is. So apart from that, if you are talking about the software requirement, then you need at least Windows 7 and or more. Windows 8.1, Windows 10, or Server 2008, 2012, or Server 2016. So UiPath Studio is developed on the top of Microsoft Windows Workflow Foundation (WWF), and that Workflow Foundation runs over .NET frameworks. So for running UiPath Studio, you need minimum of 4.5.2 .NET framework. Okay, so no more slides. Go for action. Okay, so whatever requirements I told you, it's already present in their website. I directly took it from here to there. So if you go to the website studio.uipath.com/dot/slash hardware requirement, you will get the similar thing. These are the things which I copied directly from here to there. And even for software requirement also, if you click in the left hand side, it generally it comes to the in the left hand side. If it is not coming, then you can go directly from here UiPath Studio /dot/stats software requirement. Here you will find everything, the what the operating system is mean, the requirement of that. So now let us go and we'll download the UiPath Studio. For downloading UiPath Studio, you have to just go to the Google, just try UiPath Studio. Okay, you'll get two links in the top of Google search. One is UiPath Studio, another is UiPath Community. This is the one I am talking about, UiPath Community Edition. Another is UiPath Studio. So UiPath comes in two flavors. One is with enterprise licensing, another is with community license. So enterprise license is only for enterprises who wants to deploy their application in the production. For them, UiPath enterprise is necessary. But for us, UiPath community is the best option, and it's a kind enough for of UiPath. Then they are providing at least UiPath community edition, so that new guys or anybody who wants to the learn or development of the UiPath community without purchasing the enterprise license, in that case they can go for this is a way you can explore all the UiPath functionality. It's a full page ID. So once you click on that link, you will it will take you through a page which is you'll find the community edition is written, and there you'll find a button get community edition in the top. Apart from that, you will get some information about their studio, some images, how what is how most of the things how you can do it, little bit of idea. Then in the below also you'll get this get community edition. So you can download this community edition by clicking here in the top button. So once you select that, it will take you to the this form. There you have to enter your some details, your basic details. What is your company details? These are some basic details you have to fill. Your email ID, what is your expertise, job labels, company details, and company industry, and these are the most if these are the star mark and these are mandatory, you have to fill it. Apart from that, this is a optional thing, whether you want to get the notification based on your preferences, on your interest or this and here you have check and you have to say that, yeah, I am agree with it, this license, and I'm going to download it, and you have to click request community edition. So for me, actually, I have already downloaded this one in the UiPath Studio. It is here. So it will come it as like UiPath Studio setup as a exe. The only thing you have to do it is just to install it. Just you have to click it on that. So as I don't have installed any .NET Framework version, so it is asking me this particular application is more compatible with .NET Framework 4.5. So we have to install it, and I just clicked install. So it will ask me this information, so which I have to give. These are the information which I have to give it to it. So let us press yes, I am agree. So it will do the installation. It will and it will try to download it. Okay, so it is going to take a little bit of time. So I'll be back once it downloaded. Hey guys, now the installation is done. Once the installation is done, it will automatically launch the studio UiPath Studio setup. So it will come this way. So it's what exactly it is doing, it is trying to install it. Okay, so once it installed, it will pop up a, it will open the Visual Studio UiPath Studio this way, and it will ask for the welcome. It will point it out UiPath Studio start free active license or view license. So as we are using edition, it is saying I agree with the community edition of license, so we'll go with the uh, start. So here you have to give your email ID, whatever you have registered it, and you have to click the activate button. So it will open and it will uh, activate it. So in the name, activate it. So for this particular part, this much I am finishing here. So for now, bye bye.